Guys, please share the project file along with me in WhatsApp. Please do that. I'm there in your group, right? Hello? Guys, am I audible? Send me. You
Sir.
can't text me.
Yes, sir.
I'm there in your group, right?
But only admin can send a message.
In personally send me.
Okay.
Personally send me. The Chandan Misra is written over there. That send me.
I am sent the project detail. Your
Wait.
personal.
So guys, listen to me carefully now. In the next class, we'll discuss the threading, multi-threading, and scripting. Upcoming classes, OOPS concept, all stops to be discussed. Yes. Hello. Am I audible? Can you even
Yes,
send
sir.
me?
Yes, yes, sir.
You sent me? Oof, what can I do for you then? I'm saying that again and again, but you guys are not responsible for this. Yes, am I audible? It's absolutely bizarre to see you people like this, okay? Okay, fine. Don't say me. I'll do that. We'll discuss the project some other time. Thank you. Okay. So first, we'll discuss today the exception handling. Okay. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Mm. So in the next class, we'll discuss. It'll be better if we'll discuss the OOPS concept after your exception handling, or we'll go for threading, multi-threading, and scripting. You tell me what to do in the next class.
Oops.
OOPS. Okay. Next class will be OOPS. So functions we have done with that. Functions, types of functions, various functions, everything done, right? Quick. Don't waste
Yes,
the
sir.
time. Yeah. Today is 11. Today I have to discuss the project. Nothing can be done. Please, can you please, anyone, can you share me? भाई शेयर कर, जो भी हाय बोल रहे हैं ना जल्दी से शेयर कर सोनू. Thank you सोनू, thank you. Sono, in the evaluation, please remind me, okay? I'll give you extra 5 marks for this. No one will get this. You only will get that. Okay. Extra 5 mark for you. I'm saying from now. No one will get that except you. In the final evaluation, just tell me, sir, I have said and you told me. Okay. Directly told me, sir, you told me to give 5 mark extra. Okay. Thank you. Got it. Thank you, everyone. So let me download that because we have to discuss our project today. Exception handling to be discussed. But before that, log in. Sonu, are you there? Sonu,
Yes,
you
sir.
just yeah, you just said me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Just remind me in the review session when we'll take the evaluation. The first evaluation is of 10 mark, and that will be in this week, and the second evaluation will be the end of this month. Means your 20 to 23 to 25. At that time, you just remind me, okay?
Yes.
So what is exception handling? We'll discuss first, and in the last 15 minutes, we'll discuss about the project. Okay, because you have to continue the project from this week onwards. Okay, if anyone have not started, please start working on that, and I'll explain how to proceed with that project and all. Don't worry about that. So, what is exception handling? Exception handling in Python is a mechanism that allows a program to deal with errors gracefully without crashing, and it helps in identifying the runtime errors and executing the alternative code when an error finds. Why are you using? Everyone, please listen to me carefully. Why are you using? Why you are using exception handling?
Because when error occurs, still the code should run.
Yeah. Because it prevents the program crashes, it improves debugging and error logging, it provides an user friendly error message, and like, and it helps to maintain the smooth program execution as well. Okay, first now we'll give it exception handling. What is exception handling? What are the various types? First is syntax error, means your compile time error. Yes, means these occur when the Python interpreter encounters incorrect syntax. Right? First one is your what? It's your syntax error. Right? As yeah. Means suppose print. Yes, you're giving hello world. Then is this, the parenthesis is not there. This is called, yeah, missing closing parenthesis. Parenthesis, right? This is called syntax error, mean unexpected EOF while parsing. Then the second one will be what? Exception, that is runtime error. Exceptions, that is your runtime error. What is runtime error? Means this exception occur during program execution and can be handled using what? try except block, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose the example, if you give print 10 divided by 0, then division by 0 means your 0 division error will be there, right? uh, it will be 0 division error will appear. So now it comes to exception handling using try except block. Here we will be using try except block, right? Right? Now it
Yes, sir.
comes exception handling, exception handling using in try and except, right? Means the try block contains code that may cause an exception and the except block handles the exception. I'll do that. Try, give it as your x is equal to int input. Then here you can enter a number, then give print 10 divided by x. Yeah, might cause a zero division error also here. It may cause uh, zero division error. Then here, then try, after try, what will do that? What will do? You don't aware of all those stuffs? Zero division error. Zero division error. Then print error that cannot divide by zero. Right? Everyone getting it? What I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then again, except value error will print in the error what that for the invalid input. Then please enter a valid number. It will show. Please enter a valid number. Is everyone getting it? Means the try block attempts to execute the risky code, and the except block catches the specific exceptions, that is zero division error or value error. It will handled by except block, right? And the program doesn't crash even if an error occurs in this case. Yes, everyone getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what the next type will be means handling multiple exceptions. Handling multiple exceptions means here you give try and except by except block as zero division error and value error, and you when you are entering a number, then another number, then the result. So should we go for the code? Should we write something? You all are getting it or not? First tell me. You all are getting it? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, everyone. I'm asking everyone.
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Actually, by writing code, we are wasting the time. It's time consuming process, right? So if we'll just discuss and go further, then it will be okay. Is that okay for you? If we'll just say and we'll continue, is that okay for you? Please tell me, is that okay for you, all of you?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So whatever we'll discuss in detail. Okay. So then we'll do the handling multiple exception. Okay. Then handling multiple exception. First try block, then if a is equal to input, then here you can enter a number, then b another number, same should be written. Then if we'll give a result is equal to a divided by b, right? So if print, what will give? Result, right? Comma result, right? Then you will be using except. Here will be zero division error and the value error. Then printf that an error occurred, then suppose like okay. All are getting it means this example why I'm giving you, because this catches both division error and value error in a single except block. Yes, getting it everyone?
Yes, sir.
Then exception handling using else with try except block. Using else means give then value error, then try your enter number, then multiplication or division, then give except as value error. If found means error, if error found, then please enter a valid number, then else print execution successful. If you are not entering another number, then it will be execution successful. Then exception handling by using the finally block. What is that? We'll talk about the finally block always executes regardless of whether an exception occurs. Okay, we'll be using this. Don't worry. It's time consuming, but we'll discuss the whole stuff. Mm, so now it's all come for multiple exception using try with exception. Then we'll be using what? Be using for fifth one. This is sixth one for using the using finally block, right? Yes, everyone is there. Are you all there? Then how do
Yes,
you
sir.
try file is equal to open suppose a text file is there and you just read the file. Then the content is equal to file dot read, then except block. Now except if file not found error, then print error file not found. Then we'll be using finally. What will do? Print what? Execution is completed. Completed. Got it? Means this is useful for closing files, releasing the resources, or cleaning up process. Okay. Then raising exception that manually you will be using raise. I'll do that. Suppose we are manually trigger the exception using raise statement. Then suppose we are giving check the age of a person. If the age is greater than 80, then you must be means your false value error will be there, means you must be 18 or older, then else block access the granted if you are 18 years above than 18 years. Then in the try block what will give age is equal to int, then enter your age, check the age, then in except block will be using except value error as e, then print your error, right? Means the function raises a value error of the age below, that will raise the value error of the age below 80, right? Everyone getting it? Yes. Yeah. Then how to create a custom exceptions? First, just hold on a second. So am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Thank you. So the next thing is creating the custom exception. Okay. Create create your custom exception. I'll do that. Suppose create a class, then try except block, create by your own, right? Means a custom exception, that is negative number error, is created by inheriting from the exception or something like that. We'll implement this. Do you want me to implement this? Give class negative number error exception will be there, then it will be pass. Means the custom exception class. This is the custom exception class. Okay. Then we'll give try block. Try number is equal to int input, then but enter a positive number. Enter a positive number. Mm, Then if num is less than 0, here will rage. All are listening and can understand it. Negative. Please answer me. Negative number error is negative numbers are not allowed. Here will write negative numbers are not allowed. Okay. Yes. Then you will give exception. Negative number error as e, then print what? F your custom error. Your right, everyone getting it? Means a custom exception negative number error is created by inheriting from the exception. Then another type exception handling is file operation. Okay, means try except block, file not found error, all those stuff that prevents the error if the file is missing. Then there is a thing called logging exception. Do you know what is logging exception? Okay. Logging exception. What is that? Suppose give while true, then try number is equal to int input, then here enter a number. Guys, you are understanding it properly? Guys, please tell me. Are you all there? Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Please
sir.
unmute yourself. Printf. Yeah, you all are getting it? Where then you num okay, then break the loop means it means will exit the loop if input is valid. Okay, input is valid. Okay, then what will give? Will give except except value error, then we print invalid input. Means here will be written please enter a it please enter a number. All are getting it? Means it keeps asking for input until a valid number is entered. Okay, everyone getting it? Please unmute yourself
Yes, sir.
and speak. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What are the best practices for exception handling using specific exceptions like your except exception, except value error, then usually you use finally for cleanup. Means we are using means try except then finally all those stuff, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
means
Yes, sir.
exception handling makes Python programs more robust and user friendly. Means use try except finally to manage errors effectively, and raising and defining custom exceptions help with specific error conditions. Then logging errors is useful for debugging. Yeah, this is useful for debugging, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go for the PPT or PPT. Yeah, exception handling in Python is managed using try, etc. finally blocks, and this allows developers to handle errors gracefully without crashing the program. Understanding the exception handling is important for building robust and user-friendly applications. Yes, then modules and packages in Python. Okay, means Python allows code organization through modules and packages, which are collections of related functions and classes. The import statement is used to include the modules in a script, and the structure promotes code reuse and better organization of the process. First my model, then training, commission metrics, .py, all the stuff. You can go for this, and we'll continue our discussion in the next class with the OOPS concept and the models and packages to be used. But now it's time to discuss the project. As told, and let me download and share it along with you. Hmm. Yes, just hold on a second, guys. Let me open the file and we'll continue. So after this class, you have to continue your project, okay? And this
Yes, sir.
week, end of this week, I'll see the login page and what is the progress of your project, okay? Where's the file? Let me see. Well, found it. So it's project change is like Python. Huh? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for your patience. Let me share my screen. So this is your project, that is language translator UGI for the first month, and the second month we will continue the second one. Okay. So what is the first project tells us about? Here, language translator with GUI is Python based applications, and it enables the seamless text translation between multiple languages. Means you have to build the project using Tkinter for the graphical interface, and the Google Translate API. I mean, it provides an intuitive and efficient way to translate text instantly. Means the users can select the source and target the language's input text and receive the translator with a single click. Okay. And the application supports a wide range of languages that offers the real-time translation. And the features, a user-friendly design should be there. Everyone getting me? What I am saying, you all are getting it? Means it is ideal for students, professionals, and travelers who need a quick and accurate translations effortlessly. Here the features to be used are multi-language support that support the translation between 100 plus languages for global communication. Means users can select the source and target languages from a drop-down menu. Then the user-friendly GUI that developed using Tkinter for an intuitive and simple interface, means that provides a clear text input and output areas for better user experience. Then the real-time translation means it translates the text instantly upon clicking the translate button. Means it displays output immediately without delays or manual refreshing. Then what is copy and paste functionality to be do? Here users can copy and translated text with one click for conversion. Yes. Then paste any text from other application for quick translation. Then text to speech, it reads out the translated text for improved language learning experience, and it supports various languages with clear and natural voice output. Then error handling that detect the empty input and prompts users for valid text, and it displays the error message if translation service is unavailable. Means What are the things to be added? You all are getting it, or should I explain in a bit more? Hmm.
Sir, bit more
Yeah,
about the copy paste part.
sure. First, understand here your language translator. This is a project that graphical user interface based language translator, and it is supports what multiple languages, provides real-time translation, allows you to copy paste functionality, then your integrates text to speech and includes error handling and input validation. Okay, first understand what we'll do in these steps. First, multi-language support means should support multiple languages like your suppose English, Hindi, French, Spanish, German, then like this. Then it uses the Google Translate API for translations. Getting it? The first feature, multi-language support. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Then the second one is user-friendly GUI means you can build with take interface an intuitive interface that is simple layout with text input and output. Then drop-down menus should be there for selecting the source and target the other languages. Okay. Then when it comes to real-time translation, it means translates text instantly when user clicks a particular button. Then copy paste functionality means a copy button allows the users to copy the translated text, and the paste button, what will do? It will enable the pasting from the clipboard. Okay,
Yes, sir.
got it? Means two buttons should be there, copy and paste, that allows user to copy the translated text, and the paste button enables the pasting from the particular clipboard. Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then when it comes to text to speech integration means here you can convert the translated text into speech using GTTS, that is Google Text to Speech. Got it? That plays the translated text with a single click. Got it? Then error handling means error handling and input validation. It means it handles the empty input fields and unsupported languages gracefully. Means it displays the error message for invalid input. Got it? What other technology should be used? Let me tell
Yes,
you. You
sir.
can use a Python, that is programming language. Then take Inter for your graphical user interface framework. Then you can use your Google Translator for the translation purposes. Then GTTS for text to speech. Then Paperclip, you can use Paperclip for copy paste functionality. Got it?
Yes,
I'll
sir.
do that. Got it? First, take Inter should be imported. Then Paperclip, GTTS from GTTS. Then, if you want to create a main graphical user interface window, root is equal to you have imported tkinter previously. Then you give tk.tk, then title is language translator, the geometry and size should be given. Getting it? Means this is a simple project, right? Can you do that, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
there should be a login page. Okay, in the project there should be a login page, and the next task for all of you to create a login page and start working on the project, and I'll see the progress of the project on Saturday or Sunday. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That will be the first evaluation of this month. and the second evaluation will be done the end of the week, end of the project. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Means
Yes, sir.
it will tell how the project should be worked. Means the user enters the text in the input box, then select the source and target languages from drop down menus, then clicking the translate, it fetches the translated text, then clicking the copies the translated text, and by clicking the paste button it pastes the text from the clipboard, then clicking the speak it plays the translated text. Everything is okay. How the project should be look like, how the project should work, everyone getting it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So why the sixth feature is error handling and input validation? How, what it will prevent? It prevents the translation if input is empty. That's why I've discussed along with you today the exception handling, right? It prevents the translation if the input is empty, then it displays an error message if an unsupported language is selected, means the language is not there in your API but you are selected, then it will show error. Then it ensures that the text is what available before copying or speaking. Got it, everyone? Everyone
Yes,
getting
sir.
it, how to proceed with the project?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you want to do, then you can add a speech to text or voice input. If you can, then do. Else, the things that I told you, just add these six features, then go for it. Getting it?
Yes.
Then
Yes, sir.
you can. It can provide offline translation option also. You can uh, go for a uh, advanced based project. Then you can integrate the AI based translation for better accuracy. But these things I'm not telling you to do this time, but start working on the project from now onwards, because you will have only 15 days to complete the project, because from 24, 23 to 25 will take the final evaluation, and the first evaluation end of this week you will have the first evaluation. I'll see the project only. Okay, what is the progress and all. The groups has been created. You are assigned with your own group.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So having said that, let's wind up the class, and in the next class we will discuss the OOPS concept. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you everyone. So let's
Okay,
Thank
wind
you,
then.
sir.
up.
Thank you, sir.
Let's wind up. Thank you everyone. So you got it. The next task will be end of this week. I'll take the first evaluation of the project. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Tapan.